Epic Retros 87, Cosmic Unity, Glow colorway in the house. Just love the toe box materials. Very cool. Like that intricate. You got the stitching that goes from the top, the toe box to the middle, somewhat middle, and kind of wrapped around right there. Love that stitching. Love that stitching. I like this. The tongue. Tongue is really cool. Has that Captain America Halloween type costume. Muscle build. Okay, got the cosmo right there. Shoelaces are on point. I like this. I don't know, this little pull tab thing. It's cool. Okay. What else is cool about this? Just an awesome shoe. Just really, really, really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Having fun. It's light, comfortable. I love the materials on this shoe. Absolutely love the materials on this shoe. Very cool. Very, very, very cool. And it's not long. The shoe is not long to me. It looked kind of elongated on other videos. I was like, oh shoot. I was like, oh, what did I get myself into? But I was like, nah, this should work for me. It should work for me. But yeah, Cosmic Unity in the house. Right, on foot review. Just having fun with these. Having fun. These are awesome. Great price. You know, it's $150, but you know, I had to pay a little bit more because I slept on the sneaker app. Had the opportunity, missed it by a couple of seconds because I was hesitating about putting my account information in the sneaker app. But I think next time, I'll just go ahead and do that. But this shoe I really wanted for about a month and a half, ever since I saw the pictures of it. Very cool, very cool. Comfortable. I mean, Nikes, I'm proud of Nike. I have to say, I'm proud of Nike on this. I just wish it was in retail stores. But, you know, it is what it is. Thank God I got my pair. Thank you, Lord. All right, team. Epic Retros 87. Peace.